Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to let you know what are the fees and charges associated with Royal Bank of Credit Card, Royal Bank of Scotland's credit card. So if you go to this link, that is rbcs.co.uk, you can find about this in details. So here you'll be able to find credit card fees and charges explained. So now there are a number of fees and charges that can be explained, that can be applied to your credit card account, and you can help your this particular article will help you understand what they are. Here you could find the foreign transaction fees, cash advance fees, late payment, over limit, return payment, and annual fees. All that. You could go ahead and read about this in details. You could also find about the particular credit card. Let's see if you want to go with this one or the types of credit card that you hold. So you can go ahead and understand about the fees and charges associated with Royal Bank of Scotland's credit card. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.